Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Do you ever catch yourself overeating and wonder why? Could it be that you're bored and looking for something different to do? Or are you using it as a distraction from a negative emotion like stress? If you want to stop overeating, you need to understand why you're doing it in the first place and then solve for this problem. Ready to learn more? Let's dive in. I help many high-stress professionals, and it seems that losing weight or overeating comes up quite a bit in our conversations, as well as the frustration that comes along with it. So often, we find that their overeating is coming from a desire for food as well as the circumstances surrounding the food itself. When I ask my clients why they think they're overeating, they often say that they do it for entertainment, pleasure, because they love food, they need a distraction, and often it's because they're stressed or overwhelmed. Do you ever tell yourself that you wish you ate like a normal person? Do you ever question why you eat the way that you do? Is it a habit? Is it how you were brought up? Do you eat to manage your feelings? Have you ever thought about how much control you have over how you eat, what you eat, when you eat, and why you eat? Most often, my clients are overeating because they're feeling negative emotions like stress, guilt, overwhelm, loneliness, or something similar. Think about the negative feelings that you feel most when you're overeating. Negative emotions are normal. Life is going to be full of both negative and positive emotions. If we don't have one, we wouldn't be able to know about the other. If we didn't know what sadness felt like, we wouldn't know what happiness feels like. How would you define happiness if you didn't understand sadness? If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.